I just into your tree. Good boy.
Those are two mistakes, no doubt about it.
Do you agree with his analysis there? And given that, do you think that any further responsive measures that they will take to the Iranian facilities or the lawsuit against Iranian officials, they will be thinking over not once, not twice, but 3 times, given what we
Oh,
saw
well,
last
take,
week?
sit now, sit, just sit. Good job. Just sit. Oh, good boy. I'll give Timo. Good boy. No more. No more. Oh, no more. Good boy. Good boy. My you look too big. How many kilos you are? 30 kilos? No more. Later. Good job. Good. Oh, so you will play with that. Okay. Good boy. My pants is already full of your slobber. You're slobbering. You're okay, just play with your toy. Play with your bone. Play with your bone. Play with your bone.
So things are really cool for the foreseeable future, but obviously the president has no time
Full of
to
slobber.
relax from Israel's standpoint. They've still got a hot war going on in Gaza. They still have over 100 hostages that remain there. Their mission and goal to defeat Hamas, to bring the hostages home.
Sit. Just sit. Sit
Has not yet been
Sit
accomplished.
beside me.
And this all comes with the perspective of what happens in Rafah. Will Israel ultimately go into Rafah? There continues to be pressure from the West as to what that may look like to limit civilian casualties. Give us your take on how what's transpired the last 2 weeks impacts, if at all, Israel's strategy going forward in Gaza.
Thank you for watching. Me and Mochi. This is my caretaker of these 2 dogs. Mochi, come here, Mochi. Say hello, Mochi. Hello. Okay. Oh, MJ, this dog. No, not my thing again. He like to play my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh no. No. You like my hair. Okay, stop. Stop, Moche. Stop. Stop, Mochi.